Today we are painting a gorgeous seaside view. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting out, I'll guide you step by step to create this peaceful masterpiece. So let's roll up our sleeves, grab those brushes and make some art. Okay, so we are starting by dividing our canvas into 3 sections. The top third of this for the sky, the middle for the ocean and the bottom for the sandy pathway and grass. Every beautiful landscape begins with the sky. It sets the mood, and today we are going for a calm and simple sky with few clouds. What you will need is colors white, light blue and dark blue. In tools you need a flat brush, a small round brush for clouds and a palette knife. That's optional. I am not going to use a palette knife. You can for the clouds. So the first step is to dip a flat brush in light blue and white to give the blend of the sky. Now we are going to make horizontal strokes from top of the canvas down to the horizontal horizon line. Once I am done with this is the first coat. I have to put a lot many coats to give that rich color to this black chart paper here. So first coat is going to be little watery, then I keep adding color and paint to it so that it gets thicker and thicker and you get a vibrant color for every section. We are going to do the same thing. So now when I am satisfied with the color of the sky, I am going to make fluffy clouds. Now I am using a round brush for this, taking white color and then painting the squares and dab the brush to create soft irregular cloud shapes. You can give any shape to your clouds. You can make them concentrated, you can make them really fluffy, flying, you can make them just a faint line, just to give a hint of clouds. It is up to you, it is up to your vision what you want on this canvas. Now to add more depth, we can add a touch of gray, light blue or dark blue on the base of the clouds and blend it lightly to create shadows. Now you can use a palette knife to scrape some white paint horizontally from very thin wispy clouds in the distance. That is up to you. Again, as I said before, it is your vision how you want to make your canvas look like. Few tips here. Do not stress about making the clouds look perfect. Real clouds are not in perfect shape. You can give any shape to your clouds. And second, if your colors dry too quickly, you can use a spray bottle to spray some water on your painting so that you can keep the paints workable. Part 2 going to be released very soon. Like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Remember, life's better with a splash of color. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating.